So here's the boat, and I'm pretty happy for the most part. It's coming together good. Now this is only after a rough sanding, and we're gonna give it a nice coat of the marine filler, the green stuff here. That's how the boat's looking right now. You can see the lines. They're pretty fair. Again, I only did a rough sanding, and got it with the electric planer and the grinder. We kept it. We're keeping these clamps on to persuade these boards to go down. They've been soaked, and they had a 27% moisture content in it. So now I'm letting them dry out, and they don't spring back too much. They do spring back, and they will have to be shaved to fit, but not too much. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the way the point came out, the bow. It looks pretty good. Here, yeah, we're just gonna hold. Okay, so see this portion right here, and this white caulking that's in here. It's actually marine caulking, so it's just not something I picked up out of the store to fill that gap. But for whatever reason, that frame 4 on the port side came up a little bit short. If you were to follow with your eye the inside of this outer chine and the outside, it's different. It gets fat and wider. When it gets covered up, you will never see it. But what I wanted to do is make sure that I had the fairness of the curve in there. It would have deviated and went in and then came back out, and that's just no way acceptable. The frame might have shifted. It might have came up short. I really don't. I can't give you a solid answer on what. All I know is I know how to fix it, and this is what also I had to do. You could see I added this fillet piece. It's a 1/4 inch, and we were off by a 1/4 inch to move the frame out, to give that fair curve. I don't want to lose it. I don't want it to have the plywood dent in and then come back out. You know what I mean? So the same thing, that's the reason why I had to do it on here. And I don't know. I really don't know. I could surmise all I want of what happened. I don't know. It's I'm not a professional woodworker. I'm an amateur. If you see again, now look at these curves on this boat, and I'll try to zoom in. I mean, that's pretty nice. That's a nice fair curve. And look on this side, and I know it ain't perfect, and and you have to remember it's a rough sand that's on there. I'll go back and with a hand planer and fix it, but it's pretty good. So I'm rather happy with it, and we're just gonna leave it like that. So anyway, I'm gonna turn the phone around because I don't know what the heck happened. I tried switching it over, but it didn't do it. But anyway, hey, give us a like, subscribe, and share this with your friends.